Malo soifua. Remember when you didn't know that much Samoan, so you made stuff up when your friends asked you to translate? And those times when your family would speak Samoan while your non-Samoan friends were around? They do that because they're trying to protect or puipui the information from your friend. True story. My mom calmly walks in one day, tells my stepdad, "Oleo leo na sao ona ave lea erne ile falepuipui." All I heard was puipui and Ernie, so naturally the friend. What'd they say? Well, puipui also means wall, and I knew that. And that's what my mom was looking at when she said it, so I just assumed that's what she was talking about. So I told him, yeah, my cousin Ern's gonna come by and paint the wall. When my friend left, that's good you don't tell our business, Fababe. Now if I, what you mean, Mom, where we going? The police took Ernest to jail, come on, let's go. Oh, falepuipui. House of walls, not puipui, the wall. Or puipui like to protect. Man, I'm glad I don't have to lie to my friends about my Samoan anymore. Okay, que le lavo mo le lavo, no, Marco.